Hello YouTube. Today we are going to test the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so what is a speed test? A speed test in this sense is going to check the speed of your internet connection between your computer and the designated speed test server. Today we will be using speedtest.net. It will test the connection speed in three ways: download speed, upload speed, and ping. Download speed is the speed at which the bits of information enter your computer. Upload speed is the speed at which bits of information leave your computer, and ping is the time it takes for the bits of information to leave your computer, go to another one, and return. The lower the ping, the better. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, head over to speedtest.net in your favorite internet browser. Speedtest.net will determine the server closest to your geographical location, and they use that server for the test. Once you're ready, click Begin Test. It will measure your ping first in milliseconds, then your download speed, and finally, your upload speed. Remember, all of these tests are done in megabits per second except for your ping, which is measured in milliseconds.